Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're gonna take you on an evening drive. Let's go. Check it out. So it's about 80 degrees down here, and the sea temp is at 79. And your speed limit for today is 25.
That's right. Speed limit is 25.
And it is sunny and hot, and make sure you wear sunscreen. I think this is the first time I've got a sunburn in a long time. How about you, Bebop?
That's right. We went on the beach yesterday all day long, and we are burned up.
Yep, I think some of our body parts have gotten bigger, and they're just a little bit closer to the sun now.
That's right. So there's your, right here, we're passing the Holiday Inn, that new Holiday Inn Club Vacations that we did. Go check out that video. One of the newest places here in Myrtle Beach.
And so our children are visiting this weekend, or this week, and they said that they were up there at Damon's, and there is an hour wait. So those restaurants are beginning to get packed. You know, the summer's here whenever you see them outside the door waiting.
Yeah, they said it was an hour wait, right?
That's right. I'm going to pull over so these people can pass us.
Okay.
Alrighty, and as we let some of these guys get through us, here's the nice Crown Reef Resort. That's a nice, pretty place. We have a video on that as well.
Mm-hmm. Even though it's nice and warm, it's extremely windy right now, so I had to bring the camera in. So as we were saying, it's getting busier down here now. It's a June drive, and the places are getting really busy.
Yes, they are.
The restaurants.
And the motels, too. In 3 days, they're going to start the Country Music Festival.
Right. We should be coming up on that. Look at that palm tree, how windy it is.
Oh, right there, I see it. Oh, gosh, I didn't even see her.
Oh.
Are you?
Yeah, so the Country Music Festival. Who's going to be there this year, you know?
Morgan
Wallen, Carrie Underwood.
We're passing the Sandcastle. Vacancies. And just thinking, 3 more days, it won't be any.
Yeah, I don't know how many people's expected to be here this year. But also, they're going to have, like, Old Dominion's going to be there. And Lady A, which it used to be Lady Annabellum or something like that. But they go by Lady A now.
And just to give you an idea of the time down here, it's like 6:32 in the evening. And, you know, it's still daylight. It really doesn't get dark around here until 9:30. I mean,
Oh, yes. Almost 9 nowadays.
So that's what's one good thing about South Carolina. You get down here at 5 or 6 and you're like, oh man, daylight's burning time, but not really. You have until at least 9 o'clock
To do everything you have to do.
and still be able to see.
And then still go to your favorite restaurants at night.
I'd say so.
So up here, the crosswalk here is the landmark, which is a familiar site, location. Some of these drivers,
It's okay.
they'll do what they want. Look at that.
That's the only way you can get out. Be aggressive.
Yeah, be aggressive. That's the landmark. And they just put in last summer a $3 million new water park.
Oh yeah. It must close down at like 6 or so because I don't see anybody up there right now.
Well, last week was Memorial Day, so there was a million more people here. So here's some shops. They got the Boulevard gift shop, the Mini Mart, beer and wine, Munchie's Pizzeria.
I was gonna say one day I want to come down here and try like all those little small places.
Yeah, we've never eaten there.
No.
And I don't know how many people's going to the Country Music Fest, but if you do, just let us know.
That's right.
and then let us know if it was fun this year. We're gonna be down, but I don't know if we're gonna be in the area that right there at 8th Avenue.
Yes, that place was so packed last year. Remember, we caught it on the Intel, and we were right there beside it, and you can listen to the music and everything. And they have up those big,
the walls.
The walls. They have up the walls so people can't get in, but you can still hear the music. And 8th Avenue Tiki Bar is a very good place to eat. I love their pizzas. They have like a different type of crust. It's very unusual, but it is delicious. Very crispy.
With their crust. I think they said they make it with Fiji water or something like that.
Is it Fiji?
I think it's Fiji. Fuji water would be the film. Fuji film. Okay, there's your gecko, Loco Gecko.
There's the secret.
Pretty okay place to eat.
It was.
If you're down here on the Boulevard.
That's right. And is that the one with the swim up bar? Blue.
Yeah, Hotel Blue. That's got the swim up bar. And I said that in May or June is when they do that. They start it for the summer.
I think it's the week after Memorial Day weekend.
So it's
up now.
Up and running now. There's a new shop, it looks like. And we're coming up. You can see the wheel here at Family Kingdom.
And all of those that are timeshares at Westgate, there's the Westgate Resort. Right across from Family Kingdom. That's a good stay.
Right. I was looking for the lighthouse, but I think what I told you today was correct. That it was over here at Splashes, and they were considering that Family Kingdom, even though it was called Splashes. But we'll get in there next week and look.
Okay.
And it's still an empty lot over here where Splashes was.
And there's no drive-through traffic. Did you see that?
It says
8th Avenue, yes.
So we're going to have to turn somewhere?
We'll have to go around.
Oh, like we did for Bike Week or
That's
whatever
right.
it was. So it's kind of congested here, don't it?
It does. We hadn't even made it down to Myrtle Beach yet.
Here's your sandy beach.
Or the heart of Myrtle Beach.
Oceanfront. Yeah, they're revitalizing Myrtle Beach, and they're tearing down a lot of the older places and replacing them with either nicer hotels or nothing at all. Now look at that. People up there at their house.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
It's the first time I've seen that. Bar Harbor.
Yeah, you really don't recognize the little small houses that are right here smack in the middle of Myrtle Beach, do you?
That were here since the 40s. So you can tell there's a lot more traffic. This is the difference in a late afternoon drive versus a morning drive. When there's no one here in the mornings. So right now we're passing the Wicked Tuna.
Great happy hour.
That's the one with the pier, the 2nd Avenue Pier at Wicked Tuna. There's Homewood Suites. That's a big car garage right there now.
Yes.
So if you're going to stay here, over across the street, about a half a block, right behind
5th and Ocean.
5th and Ocean.
And they have remodeled that, and it looks absolutely great. I have to give it to them. That place was like really, really run down. They've changed the name, remodeled it, brand new paint, all new furniture and interior. It looks
I
much
want they
better.
sold it.
Most definitely, I can guarantee it.
It was the Happy Holiday, and it was run down big time.
There was nothing happy about it.
Nothing.
No.
So right up here is the central nervous system of the Myrtle Beach, the heartbeat.
They're still working on that. Look at that. They put some new brickwork up. Looks great. These nice bricks walk on across.
So you'll notice if you come up here, this is where the 8th Avenue Tiki Bar is. And the La Cantina Mexican restaurant.
And as you can see, they're already preparing like we showed you in the walk on Memorial Day.
Look at that, getting ready. There's your stage coming up.
Oh my goodness, look. Yeah, look at that. Hard working. Putting up those great stages. I hope you got your tickets and you're ready to come. I know y'all buy those way in advance.
Look how they put it up.
Look, there's several stages, I think. There's like 3 or 4 stages, right?
Let's see here.
Oh, sorry.
So let's look on this side a little bit.
Yeah. Look at that. Woo-wee, it's packed down here, isn't it?
Yes.
There's the Bowery.
All right, let's bring it on in. And we'll continue
our drive.
So that was a look at the behind the scenes of what it takes to put the stages and everything up for the Country Music Fest. And so all through here are everything for the tourists. There's little eating places, little drinking places, shops, everything you need when you come down here on vacation.
We got the big fans going, see, to keep the flies out.
And some of those, they said they put little fans so you can smell the food as it kicks the food out.
Gotcha.
Little fans.
That's smart.
And you'll be walking down the road right here, walking on the sidewalk, and smell those fries, and go, let me go in there and get something to eat.
They are delicious.
You can see the Sky Wheel going. It's Karma. I don't know if that Karma thing's still operating.
I don't know. I haven't heard, which we don't have teenagers anymore, but.
Zombie Zone.
Oh, for rent, they're not.
Okay. Seems to still be a lot of people, even though it's not
Sky
Memorial
Wheel
Day.
still going on.
And so you got your Land Shark restaurant that was owned by Jimmy Buffett when he was still with us.
Oh, your slingshot's not going right now. Nobody's gotten brave enough yet.
You gonna get on that?
Heck no. I'll probably pass out once I got up there.
Yeah, they're getting tickets, I guess.
Oh, there's 2 girls.
Oh, there
they just went up.
Look at that. Olympic Pancake House, Olympic Flame. So what I was trying to say is there's a lot of restaurants in this area, like the Tin Roof.
Legends is up here.
Legends,
that's really good.
That's right.
Brigada, that's good. Is it not Brigada?
That's
Banditos.
what I was trying to think. Banditos. And that big one right there, Riptides.
And Pier 14.
And Pier 14.
It's really good.
And then you got the Beach House on the other side, which is pretty good.
And Lulu's up here, that is delicious for breakfast. So if you're ever looking for a good breakfast place, the Magnolia's down here and Lulu's.
And they have the spiked milkshake. What are they called?
Adult milkshake.
Adult milkshakes.
Those are good. Wow, it's just packed on down, the further we go,
the more people.
Great.
So you got beach bums up here is pretty good too. All right, we hope you enjoyed this ride down here in Myrtle Beach, down the Boulevard. And if you did, how about give us a big thumbs up? Found this helpful or enjoyable, or just like to ride down the road? Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification to keep up with what's going on around the beach.
Safe travels, and we'll see you next time in the video. As always, keep beaching.